Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Renegade Limited, stock number E1691P. 14,000 miles in this one owner. Clean auto check history report, Hypergreen in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, really backup camera displays. Hard keys below for climate. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Renegade has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.